This is Real Estate Talk with Tom, and I'm here on location in Waterloo at a radon install, and just going to show you around and what it takes to get a radon mitigation system installed in your home. Episode of Real Estate Talk with Tom. I'm here on location in Waterloo with Crystal Plumbing and Heating from Waverly as they do a radon reduction system installation. What happens after you get that high test result is you want to schedule an estimate. Call them and schedule that. They'll come out and look at the square footage of the house and determine if multiple suction points will be needed. Generally, it takes a half a day to a day, depending on those suction points, to install a system. When they install a system, they'll seal off a sump pump if you have one of those. Also, they'll look at the floor drains to see how best to seal those off. And also, they can install a system, as seen here, looking at the floor. They'll drill a hole through the floor and take out the dirt there. And then what they'll do is attach a PVC pipe, and on the top of that, on the outside of the house, you'll see here, there is a continuous fan. What that does is it sucks out the radon from underneath the slab in the home and then vents that out on the outside. The manometer you see here, or YouTube, it measures the pressure in the system. This does not give you the radon reading. Again, you can do a home test or you can do the test with a certified person as seen previously. When the system is completely installed, they will give you a post-test kit as seen here, and you'll need to complete the test as far as the instructions go and get that test sent in for your results. If the results are still over the EPA threshold 4.0, should be lower than 1 in most cases. You'll need to call them back out and they can evaluate that and see if another suction point may need to be added or a larger fan. As it says on the sticker here, a reminder that you should test your system every 2 years to make sure it's functioning and make sure that your radon level is where it should be, again, under 4.0. If you have questions about radon installation, contact Crystal Plumbing and Heating. And I want to thank them and the homeowner for letting me come into the home today and shoot this video and talk to you more about a radon installation. That's all for now on today's Real Estate Talk with Tom. Thank you.